andito na naman tayo, panibagong vlog na naman tayo. May bagong linisan na naman tayo. Ito, kasi type na naman ang titirahin natin ngayon. Ayan. Ayan. Ang dumi, ang dungis. Ayan guys, panoorin nyo. Hanggang sa dulo, itong gagawin ko. See? Have water and also board. Have water. So, water, drop. Maybe
PCB
drink.
inside have water.
Yeah, PCBC have water. Here have water. See? This big problem. See? Power supply. Power supply have water. Look, we need to remove the power supply. This one. And here, remove this one. That's all. Kalas. And here, we need to remove also. Okay.
This one.
Turut tutut. Turut tutut. Tutut tutut. Geret tutut. Turut tutut. Careful. 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 Little. Yes. Ayun, no? Too much dirty. Ayan. Pinuksan na natin. Oh, nag-yellow. Ice. Why ice coming? Will be working inside. Still running. Already off. Impossible. It's already off the breaker. Lot of ice. Undercharge to, undercharge. Kulang ng karga to. Nag-yellow. Ayan o. Kulang ng yellow. Kulang ng karga. Ayan, tapos na rin. Ito yung ano natin, no. Ayan. Ibabalik na natin. Natapos na rin yung ano natin. Kinabit na, binalik na. Okay, hanggang dito na lang. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. At pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa susunod kong video. Okay, bye-bye.